I think from our standpoint, we are getting more into robotics and automation now. So the skill level is a different type of skill level now for machine operators and stuff, but that'll continue to kind of ramp up, I think, over the next 5 to 10 years. And really, um, from a welder standpoint and other kind of production employees, is we're kind of relying on people to be flexible. I mean, from a standpoint of we might hire you as a welder, but we want to be able to produce the most work we can with the minimum amount of resources we have, too. And so utilize people's skill sets and just people being flexible and able to weld when they need to weld or help out when they want to, help out somewhere else.
I think there's going to be a lot of, from what it sounds like, technology. Our process is evolving, more technology. He mentioned robotics and taking a lot of skill to run that robot. We've found companies that offer what's called an adaptive robot, to where there's very little programming, so a lower skilled operator or less tenured operator can operate that robot efficiently, effectively, with less troubleshooting. So I think in the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to see a lot more technology incorporated into our processes due to the lower skill sets coming in, lower training time, but more repeatability and obviously a higher quality product at the end.
I'll add to that. Programming a robot today is much different than it was 10 years ago. Even that technology is developing and becoming more operator friendly. You mentioned lower skill level robots, or what we often call them cobots. They coexist with humans. A robot of 10 years ago could potentially pinch or crush or injure a person working side by side with it, and it would be operating inside of a fence or a cage, so for safety reasons. Today there are cobots available that, if they were to make contact with a person, they simply stop. They're sensing loads and becoming much more safe and user-friendly to program.